Then I
yeah.
guess you could say Beetle's a little.
Little what?
A little down in the dumps. I'm here all week.
The fucking soundboard, bro!
Maybe we should get back on track and actually accomplish something.
Bro, when I tell you, she had the perfect timing for all of the fucking soundboard shit. Bro, she was knocking me the fuck out with these soundboards.
As someone who swims with sharkies, I can say they are seriously misunderstood beautiful creatures, so Mega, at least your model is lore accurate.
Yeah! Wait. I don't know if I should say... I'm gonna say thank you and hope that it's a compliment. Yeah, I think, you know, I had to contain the fuck out of myself because she was making me laugh so goddamn hard, bro. I was dying. Freakalodon? What the fuck is this? What do you mean, Freakalodon?